In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the location on a LinkedIn job search. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use any web browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just make sure it's up to date for the best experience. Once your browser is open, navigate to the LinkedIn website. Type in www.linkedin.com in the address bar and hit Enter. Now, you'll need to sign into your account. This step is straightforward. Simply enter your login details, which usually consists of your email and password associated with your LinkedIn account. If prompted, complete any security CAPTCHA to verify your identity. This is a common security measure to ensure that it's really you trying to access your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the home page. You should see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This action will result in a drop-down menu appearing. From that drop-down, you want to select the option called View Profile. Clicking on this will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage various details about yourself, including your job search settings. Next, you'll need to locate the blue pencil edit icon. This icon is usually located near your profile photo or your headline. It's a clear indicator that allows you to edit your profile information. Click on that pencil icon to open the editing window. Now, once the editing window is open, you'll want to scroll down until you find the specific location section. This is where you will enter the details for the area where you're interested in finding job opportunities. In this section, input your new country and city. It's important to be specific so that LinkedIn can show you relevant job opportunities that match your desired location. Make sure to double-check the spelling of your city and country to avoid any potential confusion. After you've added the new location details, look for the Save button at the bottom of the window. It's crucial that you click this button to apply your new location settings. This step ensures that LinkedIn updates your profile and aligns your job search with your new specified location. And just like that, you have successfully changed your location on LinkedIn for job searches. It's a simple process, but it can significantly improve your search for job opportunities that are better suited to where you want to work. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and liking for more helpful content. Good luck with your job search.